Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Free Fire's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Free Fire's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Free Fire application. The official page of Free Fire application will appear on the screen. You can sign up for your Free Fire's account using your Google, Twitter or VK as well. Choose any one of the options. You can also sign up using your guest account as well. Here I'm gonna go with Google. Choose your Google account and tap on it. Choose your level and click on confirm. This is how you can sign up for your Free Fire's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.